Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, today we're gonna dip through and we're gonna do this for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? So what we're looking at now, we got the Nike Air Vapormax Plus in black, and fuchsia blast. This is a women's colorway. It retails for $190. Now looking in the box, you got the plain white paper. You know what I'm saying? So let's skip all this. Let's get into the shoe. Here it is. The Air Vapormax Plus Sherbert. Now keeping it real, which I always do, I think it's a dope shoe, but I think Nike's starting to just flood the market with too many of these things, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like they done found a wave and they gonna ride it till the wheels fall off. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. Like I said, this is a dope colorway. This is for women. You know, looking at the tongue, you see they got the Air Vapormax Plus on it. You got the blended in colors that really resemble some Sherbert. But, I mean, I don't know, man. You know, now don't get me wrong. I think it's a dope shoe. The Vapormax Plus, whichever kind they put out, I think they dope shoes. But like I said, I just feel like they're doing a little bit too much, man, you know, and I don't know, man. But anyway, that's just my opinion. But yeah, this is a women's colorway, you know, very comfortable shoe. You see the accents of 3M going along the top. I mean, everybody should already be familiar with the Vapormax Plus. If not, hopefully the video helped you out. But I ain't gonna go too deep into details on this one, man. I ain't even, you know, because y'all already know what the Vapormax is. I'm just really showing y'all this colorway. You know what I'm saying? And it is what it is. Hey, look, but before I go any further, man, y'all make sure y'all go hit that subscribe button, man. I'll let the kid, man. You know I'm coming through with the videos, you know what I'm saying? They only gonna get better, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, put your people on it, all that. You know what I'm saying? Before I go, man, y'all make sure y'all go follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. You hear me? But I mean, like I said, it's a dope shoe. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all stay tuned because we're about to do our own foot. Thank y'all for watching, and I'ma holler back.
It's just different.
Yeah, we ain't gotta make this harder than it gotta be. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. I ain't about to let you get away. If you want, we can get away. Excuse me, love. Excuse me, love. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. Excuse me, love. Make this harder than it gotta be. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. I ain't about to let you get away. If you want, we can get away. Excuse me, love. What you know about that jet life? Have you live it right? I'ma hit it right. Excuse me, love. I just need you in my life, baby girl. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. Excuse me, love. baddest that I seen in a while. I ain't about to let you get away. If you want, we can get away. Excuse me, love, what you know about that jet life? Have you living right? I'ma hit it right. Excuse me, love, I just need you in my life, baby girl. You the baddest that I seen in a while. Excuse me, love.